Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a very cheap space heater out of some terracotta pots, some little terracotta feet, a base, 3 nuts, 2 large washers and the bolts, and just a little piece of metal. It's been bent up into like a hook shape. Like a hook shape with a little eye on the bottom. Okay, get your bolt, thread that through and put a nut on the bottom. Okay, just do it up till it's all tight at the top. That's your little handle at the top. Okay, next, another knot. Do it up a little bit to the end. And a washer. Next, take your medium-sized pot. Put that through the hole in the bottom of the pot. Take another washer. Put it on the end of the bolt. And a nut to hold that in place. With the 2 washers, you're sealing the hole in the bottom of the pot, so it becomes airtight. Well, it doesn't have to be airtight, just sealed. Anyhow, okay, there you go. And there's the inside. As you can see, I've already used this one. There's a bit of soot on the bottom. There you go. Next, it's as simple as that. Your candles at the bottom of your bowl. I'm going to use 6 because it generates a bit more heat. Yeah, little feet. Found these at B&Q. Just little feet to stand this terracotta pot on. And just put 3 inside the bowl. There you go. Light all your candles. There you go, all candles lit. And take your medium-sized pot and then just stand it on top of the legs. Get it pretty central. Okay. Take your larger pot and feed the handle through the hole. And then carefully sit it on the little legs. So it bounces on top of the legs. Okay, now this is how it works. The inner pot heats up to great temperatures. I'm not sure how hot, but it gets pretty hot after a bit. The hot air rises, comes out of the hole at the top, funnels out, in turn sucking in more air underneath, so it goes sucks in from the bottom up, heats up, gets blasted out the top. I think it's called convection heating. Okay, and when the air comes out of the top, just a way to add a bit more extra heat to it, the smaller pot just sits on top of the handle. So the hot air comes out of the hole into this one, and so it doesn't go out the top of that. It's a little 2p piece over the top, just to hold it in place. What I like to do as well is To make the room smell nice as well, a little bit of oil. Let's put a few drops down the hole. It goes down the hole onto the long bolt. When the bolt heats up, it releases a nice smell. There you go. DIY space heater.